So today we decided that we were going to do an experience day. Babe, tell them exactly what an experience day is.
An experience day is something that you have been dreaming about for a long time. Something you have a burning desire about. Something like a goal, a house, a job, a car, a trip, a vacation. But you basically go experience it. So if it's a car, you go to the dealership and you go test drive the car you want. If it's a house, you go call up a realtor, you go to open house. If it's food, you go to a restaurant, a nice fancy restaurant, and you experience the vibe, the atmosphere, the drinks, or the food you want.
Yeah. So we're really excited because I wonder what experience day we're going to do today, babe. What experience day?
We're going to experience some cars.
But we're not going to tell you what car yet. We're going to get there and we're going to show it to you because you can experience with us. Why not? So what do we say like when we get there? Tell them we're going to buy a new car. Like,
you tell them we had to experience the Bentleys. We had to experience the Bentley.
Experience the Bentleys. Okay.
We had to get a Bentley experience.
Alright.
See if they give us champagne. Didn't they give us champagne?
I don't know.
You know what they gonna give us? Because I know it's when you go to the rinky-dink dealerships, they don't give you nothing. When you go to those nicer dealerships, they have more coffee, they have better snacks.
I guess we're gonna see.
We're gonna see what they give.
We're gonna see.
I'm excited.
So you see we're here, y'all. We about to go inside, babe.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous, but I'm nervous. I'm excited nervous. I'm excited nervous. The Bentayga. This one is called Unveil. I like it.
Yeah?
It'll be just for me though.
Do the doors come out when you get in here? Like this disappear come in when you get on? No.
There's some that add the
It's been a long time since my cheeks got stuck like that. You know what I like? I like the fact that I'm kind of long on the legs.
yeah, that can
I
go
don't have
back,
to, because we have a BMW at the house, 320, 330, but by the time I put my foot here, I'm like bending.
And that'll go back even further. That'll go back a couple more inches.
But there's nobody, there's no seats in the back, there's nothing anybody can sit.
No. That's date night.
But it's not for anybody, it's like literally no.
You want a four-door, that's that one over there. Well, you got a couple of them fit back there. Push that button right in the middle where it says start.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, wait, I missed the roll, I missed the roll.
I got it.
Push the screen button right there.
For this one?
Yep. Or even roll it again.
Hey, wow. One more time. Oh, so it changed.
Oh yeah, if you push it and hold it.
One more time.
Yep.
Oh, so it changed.
Oh yeah, if you push it and hold it for 2 seconds, it'll go back to the original.
Oh, wow.
Nobody knows it's even in there.
Listen, I'm having an experience in my life right now.
There you go.
Wow.
It's got a sport mode. Turn that dial to the left just one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
To the left?
Yep.
Oh.
Growl in it. There you go.
Wow. Can I tap it just a little?
Yeah, just a little.
Oh.
Outside, you can
Wow.
push it now.
Push it?
Yeah. I just don't want you to smoke everybody out.
Wow. This one seems a little bigger. Same?
Yeah.
Feels like somebody could sit back here in this one.
No, that seat's been moved out, yeah. Okay, well, if you can scoot, you can get back there.
Right. I feel like my little
With the
kids
kids
back there.
Kids are back there, yeah. I'm not taking it for your summer beach trip to Florida with
What about like the seats? Like if kids step on it, like the holes are pretty good.
Oh yeah, it's all leather. It's the best
Yeah?
leather you can get. All the bulls are north of a certain equator for a real reason.
Right.
Because it's colder up there and there's no bugs.
So we are here at the Bentley dealership, as you can see, and Dave has been phenomenal. Tell me, what's your experience so far, Felicia?
You know, I came for the Bentayga.
However,
What's the coupe that we were sitting in?
I think the Mullen?
The Mullen?
Mullen? Yeah, something like that.
Listen, luxury is.
We went to test drive it right now, though.
Yeah, the Bentayga we're gonna test drive. Yeah,
You ready?
Man, don't you see I got my book?
Wow, guys, all I can say is wow. You definitely got to make some more money, and we got to make some more money, but let's make some more money together. Listen, if you're excited about 2021, 2022, if you're excited about the next 90 days and Christmas and changing your situation, listen, well, let's do it together. Let's do it together.
Definitely.
Let's do it together. Okay, come on, let's go. Woo.
Ain't she a beauty?
Look like you just bought it. How you like your new car?
I love it. Are you coming in?
500.
Yeah, I'm gonna come on the other side.
Yeah, I'll come from the back.
Wow.
Super quiet. Everything's double pane windows. There's 5 things in every Bentley, and that's one of them. The round
I
stop.
saw this. I was like, this looking
Yeah.
real old school. I like that.
Yeah.
About 89.
Go ahead, give it a little gas right here. Jump on it just a little. Go ahead, go right here. Hit it. Go.
It picked up real
Yeah?
quick. Oh yeah.
I heard it growl.
Wow.
It'll go.
I heard it
Not much
growl.
quicker on this little 500 horse.
And this is a V8.
This is the V8. The 600 will just snap your head back.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.